Here we're taking a look and unboxing the Sony Sports Player NW-WS623. As you can see, there's a bit more information about it on the back. Now, these are the Bluetooth model as well. You can use either Bluetooth or the non-Bluetooth model, and these allow you to use your phone without actually taking it with you, which I think is great. So let's start by unboxing it and having a look what comes in the box. So here you've got the headphones. You've also got the different ear tips, which we'll talk about in a moment why that's so important. You've got the actual charger as well as the cable to download, upload the music. Those to the side. And you've got your instruction booklets just here too. Kind of how to set it up, which we'll go through later. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. I'm going to put these to the side and just have a look at the actual headphones themselves. So the great thing about these is you can use these for sports. So you can use them swimming, running, out and about, and they work very, very well. And the reason being is you don't have your phone connected to them. So these actually work on their own, which is fantastic. Now, you see on the back here, these are actually in-ear earbuds, which load up into your ears. Now, essentially, if you want to use these in water, you've got to change them to other earbuds. So these are the non-water ones, which you can use. If you change to water, that means that they're IPX5 8, so waterproof, and IPX6 dustproof for swimming, and very, very durable. So the thing is, they're quite light as well. As you can see, they're quite bendable too, so they can fit on your ears, on your back of the head, and they work out well. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer and kind of show you guys what I mean. So because you don't have your phone with you, all the instructions are done through here. So you can turn up, turn down sound. You can change tracks by playing and pausing. You can hold it down as well to connect it. They're a great pair of earbuds. Now, you can also use these for hands-free calling via Bluetooth if you have your phone. So you can use them with your phone as well if you want. Now, they have long battery life, 12 hours playback, and 3 minutes of charging gets you 1 hour of playback, which is great. It takes 1.5 hours roughly to charge these. Now, if you have a look, so essentially they charge by going in here. So you take that part there, and you clip that in just like that. So that's how it charges, but that's also how you download and upload music to it as well. So I love the Walkman design. I think it's really cool. So the IPX rated down to 2 meters in the pool. Now they also have 4 gig of storage on there as well. So they'll give you, I don't know, about a couple of hundred songs or something roughly. And you can use them out. So I'm going to go test this later to show you guys how they are out in the water. We'll talk a bit more about the battery life and the comfort. They also use ambient sound mode too. So that essentially means you can play them and you can hear the surrounding sound around you. They don't feel too heavy. I think they're about 32 grams, which is not that heavy at all. And there we are with the Sony Walkman design too as well. So nice pair of headphones, and they lock into your ears each side by using that. So the Sony Walkman NW-WS628. So Sony Walkman NW-WS623.